Good afternoon to all the students. This is Mr. Vaibhav Bhosle, Assistant Professor in Child Health Nursing Department from Prora Institute of Medical Sciences. So today we'll see the introductory session on child health nursing, that is pediatric nursing. So before beginning, I would like to tell you that all the students that you have chosen a good institute, that is Prora Institute of Medical Sciences, which is a brand one, and even you can see all the government sector has our students. So welcome to PIMS, that is particularly College of Nursing, and best of luck for your degree course. So before starting with the child health nursing, I would like to tell that total theory hours and practical hours, as you can see here, total theory hours is 65 and practical hour is 240 hours. And our course description is, this course is aimed at developing an understanding of modern approach to child care, the principles of the child health nursing and the common problems of neonate and children in health and sickness. Mainly it focuses on modern approach and mainly it focuses on preventive aspect rather than curative aspect. And objectives are, at the end of the course, the student will be able to explain the modern concept of child care and principles of child health nursing, describe normal growth and development of children in various age groups, explain the physiological response of body to disease condition in children, identify the health needs and problems of neonate and children, plan and implement appropriate nursing interventions, identify the various preventive, promotive, rehabilitative aspects of child care and apply them in providing nursing care to children in hospital and community. So course content, the first unit is of 8 hours. That is, first I will tell you related to which particular unit, which particular book you have to refer, that also you can note. So first unit, introduction to child health nursing, modern concept of child care, internationally accepted rights of the child, changing trends in hospital care, which are the new trends that you can see, that too in preventive, promotive, curative aspects of the child health, morbidity, mortality rates, national policy and legislation in relation to child health and welfare, national programs related to child, which are the programs that recently we have related to child health and family welfare, differences between adult and child, that is difference between medical, surgical and pediatric. This is very important again, where you can see physical difference, then physiological difference, psychological differences, then hospital environment for a sick child and a role of pediatric nurse in caring for the hospitalized child, principles of pre and post-operative care of infant, particularly during the operation, what are the pre and post-operative care that a pediatric nurse has to take. Then at last, pediatric nursing procedure, preparation of child for diagnostic tests like collection of specimen, calculation, administration of oral and parenteral medication, how to feed a baby, what are the techniques to administer oxygen, nebulization, exchange transfusion and restraints. Apart from that, there are many like phototherapy we will see, like even surfactant process we will see, even nasogastric feeding. There are many that we can see in that particularly pediatric nursing procedure. So particularly for this you can refer, particularly for this unit you can refer Asma BV book, Asma BV, a pediatric nursing book, which is very important. Apart from that, you can see for trends and recent rights or internationally accepted rights and some of the morbidity, mortality related thing, you can refer internet also. So second unit, which is for 12 hours, it is related to growth and development, principles, factors affecting growth and development, assessment of growth and development like in infant, toddler, preschooler, schooler and adolescents, then nutritional needs of infant, children, principles of pediatric nutrition, breastfeeding, artificial feeding and weaning. This all growth and development related aspect we can see in this, and for this you can apart from that you have like a role of play in children, then preventive immunization. So these all things you can see in a good book called as a Marlowe. Marlowe is very good book for pediatric growth and development. Apart from that, you can refer IEP, that is Indian Association of Pediatric by Parthasarathi. That also you can refer. Apart from that, you can refer OP Ghai also for growth and development. Moving towards the third unit, Third unit is related to care of newborn. Under that, characteristics and care of newborn, aspexia neonatal and neonatal resuscitation you can see, low birth weight infants, nursing management of common neonatal disorders, neonatal jaundice and phototherapy unit also you can see, neonatal sepsis, hypoglycemia, organization of neonatal unit, prevention and control of infection, then critical care concept in child health. So these all things you can see in a care of newborn. For this particularly you can refer a book called as a Meherban Singh, care of newborn. Meherban Singh book is very important. Even though you can refer a book called as Medno. Apart from that, you can refer a Wong's Okenberry book for newborn care. Then fourth unit is nursing management of common childhood illnesses. It may be of nutritional deficiencies like proteinuria malnutrition, vitamin deficiencies like rickets, scurvy, vitamin E deficiency, respiratory diseases like acute bronchitis, bronchiolitis, pneumonia, bronchial asthma. Even now can add pediatric COVID also. Disorder of gastrointestinal system, like that is acute gastroenteritis, tracheoesophageal fistula, which has 5 types, cleft lip and palate, which is a surgical case, hypertrophic pyloric antrum, then pyloric stenosis you can see, then Hirschsprung diseases, again which is called as ganglionosis, intestinal obstruction, anorectal anomalies you can see. Then in cardiovascular system you can see rheumatic fever, congenital heart diseases. As I have already taken congenital heart disease, you can go through my YouTube that is given below. So you can search for that, and you can for particularly congenital heart disease you can refer my YouTube videos. Congestive cardiac failure, disorder of genitourinary system, acute glomerulonephritis, nephrotic syndrome, Wilms tumor is also called as nephron tumors or tumors related to the nephrons, congenital disorders, neurological disorder like convulsions in children and epilepsy, and lastly meningitis. So these are the medical conditions in child health nursing. So you can refer particularly Wong's book, IAP, then Upighai. So these are the books which are convenient to refer this particular. Apart from that, you can refer recent net content also for better clear understanding. Coming to the fifth unit is management of behavioral problems in children, that is childhood illness, that is for 4 hours. Under that you will have aneurosis, encephaloporosis, temper tantrum, somnambulism, juvenile delicacy, speech defects, what is tics, what is pica, what is antisocial behavior, management of challenged children like mentally challenged, physically challenged, socially challenged children. You can see in that particular unit, which is of 4 year. For this you can refer notes called as a Medno notes. Apart from that, you can refer Ofigai also, and even Indian Association of Pediatric book also. This is particularly a new unit called as a sports injury or sports nursing, which is of 5 hours, that includes sports injuries, clinical evaluation and diagnosis, immediate and emergency care, treatment, rehabilitation, diet, common health problems, and preventive promotive protection, and a role of nurse you can see in that particular, which is added recently under our board of studies, so that you come to know what is the meaning of sports nursing. So this has been added. So this is all about the syllabus that we want to see. Next we will see related to the assignments that you have in first year PBBSc nursing. So here you can see related to the list of assignments that is particularly given for first year PBBSc nursing, that is in child health nursing. So the clinical assignments are divided into 3 columns. First one is assignment, second one is mark, and third one is number of assignment. So coming to the case study, you have 2 case studies, medical and surgical, 50 marks each, and you have to write 1 assignment on medical and 1 assignment on surgical nursing. Second one is case presentation, which is of 50 mark. Again you have to present 1 case presentation. Health talk, which is of 25 mark, and this is also 1 assignment that you have to present in front of all the beneficiaries of children. Developmental assessment, you have newborn, infant, toddler, preschooler, schooler, that is totally 5 developmental assessments are there, each carries 10 mark. Apart from that, you have no nursing care plans, or you can write only 1 nursing care plan. And clinical evaluation, you have medical, surgical, NICU clinical evaluation of 300 marks. Coming to the theory assignment. Theory assignment is a symposium which is of 25 mark, and you have to present one symposium in front of your teacher. And there is a note for presenting health talk that AV aids to be approved before the presentation. Content should be comprehensive, not more than 5 pages. A reference of minimum 3 books and 3 journals or recent journals for health talk. Symposium lesson plan should be submitted to their guide at least 2 weeks before the presentation. So to prepare a lesson plan format for a topic given you as a symposium. Then all the students will come prepared for seminar to participate actively. All students will refer minimum 3 pediatric book and journal each for incorporating latest content on topic. And innovative AV aids will be appreciated for presentation. Don't be monotonous and don't bring a prepared PPT from internet. So prepare by your own, prepare an innovative AV aid so that we should appreciate, and you should present in such a manner that evaluator or your student should get attracted to it, and you should have some novice content that should act like a catalyst to your presentation, so that it increases the interest or it creates the interest among the students. So this is all about the syllabus and assignment that you have for first year PBBSc, and from next class onwards we will start related to the unit first in next class. So thank you so much for listening this, and if you have any doubts you can comment in my comment section, and please do subscribe my channel, that is Nursing Gyan, for more videos, and keep yourself updated. Thank you very much.